park it. Yeah, just go in here. Alright, gonna get some food. Yeah, you let them park that bitch.
Okay guys, and that's what I'm gonna get.
That's okay.
Ice cream now without you.
How's it, bro?
So good.
That's like a cookie too, huh?
Yeah. Sorry, I don't get any of this. Hi. Hi.
Look at all this. What's up, guys? We're back, and in the last video we got the engine kind of prepped up. We got a flywheel and clutch on it. Transmission's on. All we got to do now is really fix the driver's side mount. So we went out the other night, ended up getting the Healy coils. This is a little kit here. So all you do is you drill the hole out, thread it, and then you just put in one of these taps. They give you 3 of them, of these little, the Healy coil threads. So I'll show you guys how to do that, or not, how not to. Hopefully I don't fuck it up. But yeah, I don't get that much free time, so just gotta make do with what I got. It's just pouring down rain. I prefer it to be, you know, not raining, but we gotta pull both crank pulleys off and swap the timing covers around, and just try to tap that thread and put the mount on. After we get the mount on, maybe I'll try to get the motor in the car. No promises, but it's really easy. I just got to get that mount all fixed up. Okay, so I just got this crank pulley bolt off. I had to use my little on the crank tool. Wasn't all that exciting, but it's stuck on here because of the belt. There it goes. So always want to be careful with this thing. Fat spider there waiting for me. Anyway, that's it. There's only 2 on this cover. So this cover's trash. Going with that one. I'm gonna be using the cover and some of the bolts from the other car. So yeah, it looks like they replaced like the timing belt and stuff like that. But we just need to take care of this. Healy coil that one. See what I can do about that one there. Alright guys, so the bottom bolt has it hasn't came out. I've tried like these pliers and everything, and it's not working, so we've resorted to having to use one of these reverse screw extractors. So you turn left to pull the bolt out, and we got like a couple drill bits we'll try. So now we're gonna start drilling the engine block, well, just the bolt on it. Alright, that's about it. I'm gonna try to use that extractor now. So I've been working on this for a minute, and I got the bottom bolt out, but the problem is that it was just all the way at the bottom, I ended up using a step drill bit to get it out. I was trying to use an extractor for reverse drill bit, but it wasn't having it. So I think we're just gonna try to save the top hole and just get it really tight, and it'll support it. Before it wasn't, nothing was bolted up and the car was driving around just fine, but we'll just try to get this one hole so it can support the mount, and we'll see from there. Maybe I'll buy another car and just help them out with another engine or something. But we'll just run this one until it fucking fully falls apart, you know. Anyway, we're gonna helicoil up this top one and rethread it and stuff so we can get a mount on there and just get it really tight. So this is all we're doing, is just tightening up this little bastard and backing out some. But then sooner or later it creates us a thread. Be nice to kind of have both my hands here though. But yeah, you just keep spinning and spinning till this bottoms out, and then we could put our thread insert in. But yeah, just tapping a hole. Alright, got that hole tapped out, has a thread in it. So just gonna kind of prep up this area. Gotta get the metal that came out from all the drilling. As far as I know, this brake cleaner stuff is safe on belts. I've never had it damage one, so. Fuck it. And that's all nice and clean. So we just gotta drive this thread bit in there. See, they give you this tool right here. See if I can get it on film. But put this through, and it goes over that this little piece there on the thread. And so you just drive this down. The thread I made in here is the same thread as the outer of this little helicoil. Just see if this works out for a shot. Maybe it won't. Who knows? It's already awfully annoying. Anyway, I'll figure this out. So I got the new thread threaded in there. Alright guys, so this mount is on there solid as hell. I reefed it down fucking really tight, so that's not coming off. Be nice if we could have got a bolt down here on the bottom, but there's just not enough meat back there to do anything. But now we're going to put these covers on from the other engine over there and get it all assembled. Probably put the crank pulley back on, maybe just the alternator belt, just get this all buttoned up and get it ready to mount in the car. Right on. You know, I wasn't going to clean these covers for the timing, but I don't know, when you clean these things, they get super clean. We'll just spray some of this on there to eat up the grease. And then you can come back around and it just wipes off. Okay guys, so right now it's getting kind of dark. We're gonna try to really quickly throw this little cover on, well, all the covers. so we can actually just put the motor in or whatever we gotta do. That's how that goes. There it is. I got the pin in there pretty easily. Didn't record it, but right when I put the camera down, I just put the little, they call it like a chuck or something. I forget, but I just set it on the crank and I just put this on there and it slid into place easily. Looks a lot better than it did when I got it. So yeah, I'll put an alternator belt on it real quick. There. No, it's not going anywhere for sure. So that's all wrapped up. Alright guys, so that's it for this one. I don't know if you got it in the last clip. What did I do? I got the crank pulley on and the alternator belt. The covers are on, the mount's all mounted up like it's supposed to. And anyways, I just gotta put some shit away. Didn't end up using this, so I'm gonna bring that back for sure. I already had one just laying around, so ended up using that. Anyway, tomorrow hopefully I can get the motor in and I can put that little blue tarp down and stuff, put that shit away, clean up the area and start working on like a car I want to work on. Maybe I'll get a windshield installed in the hatch, then I can show you guys like going through state patrol, like inspection. I could take a video of going there and how it is, just in case no one's ever gotten a car from like Copart and brought it down for an inspection. I can show you guys how to do it. And I don't know, we'll start working on more shit, but the weather's starting to not look so good all the time. Kind of the worst time to start like recording anything, but it's all good. Can't not work, so gotta be doing something. Kind of just make these videos because I'm bored and I'm on YouTube anyways at night, so just been kind of thought, fuck, I don't know, and it's kind of funny and entertaining to watch myself, so I think that's kind of funny. Anyway, I got some stuff to put away, all this junk. Tomorrow I'm gonna get the motor in, so I'll record all that for you. Then I just gotta do all the finishing touches and put oil in there and the radiator. Simple, but if you're still watching, cool, thanks, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.